today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Amazon Appstore on Windows 11. Let's click on the Start button and search for Microsoft Store. Okay, so there should be an app on your Windows 11. Click on it and it launches. Now let's wait for it to launch. So let's search for Amazon Appstore, and then once the result comes back, you should see an Amazon application or app. Install that. Click on the install and click download. Yes, and this should take a few seconds, so I'm going to pause until the download completes. Okay, so now it has completed downloading and it has been installed on my computer. So let's open the app. Click on open and just give it a few seconds to load. The initial time it launches, it will ask you for your Amazon account information. If you do not have an Amazon account, just sign up for one. It's free. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my account information. So click on sign in. Enter your email and password. Okay, so once you click on sign in, you should get to this window. Now, the Amazon App Store has a greater number of apps and games compared to the Microsoft Store, so that's why it's a good idea to install it on your Windows 11 and search for applications that you might not find on your Microsoft Store. To your left, you'll see the all app section, so you could click on it and then you'll see all the apps that are available for you to install. You could search for anything you like. Also, there are some games you could look at. So all the ones that are free, they have the get option, and the other ones, they have the price. And there's a kids section as well. And that's all I wanted to show you for today's video. Thank you for watching.